Welcome to our C++ programming series from zero to hero. So in this video, we're going to discuss the part 1 of printing. So let us define first what is printing. So printing refers to displaying information, messages, or data to an output devices, such as console, terminal, or screen. So si printing, siya yung makikita natin dito sa ating mga console, sa ating mga terminal, or sa ating mga screen. Alright? So, there are two basic syntax of printing. We have the cout or the console output. Siya yung lalabas dyan. We have the insertion operator. So, followed by the string literal and another insertion operator. And then the E and L or the new line. So automatically, pag makakakita ka ng E and L, so mag-new line siya or enter sa ating keyboard. And last but not the least is the semicolon. So every C++ programming language has always end in a semicolon. So another, we have the cout insertion operator at statement. So, same lang yung functionality niya ng \n. So, nagsiserve as new line or the enter sa ating mga keyboard and then the semicolon. So, ang process niya, we have the statement. Ilalabas niya ngayon sa pamamagitan ng insertion operator patungo sa ating cout. Alright? And then, the E and L or the new line, ilalabas niya ngayon sa pamamagitan ng insertion operator patungo sa ating cout. Alright? So, same sa statement. We have the statement. Ilalabas na ngayon with the use of insertion operator sa ating cout or ating console output. And then the \n or the new line. Lalabas na ngayon sa pamamagitan ng insertion operator patungo sa ating cout. Alright? So, we have our example. So, we have here the first hello world. So, si hello world, nilabas niya ngayon sa pamamagitan ng insertion operator patungo sa ating console or the console output. That is why nagprint na siya ng hello world. And then, a new line. So, nag-enter na siya ng new line, kaya nandito na tayo. And then, we have the new line here. Nilabas na ngayon patungo sa ating cout and then E and L. So, same lang yung output niya kung gagamitin natin ang \n. Alright? So, hello world. And then, nilabas niya ngayon patungo sa ating console output with the use of insertion operator. And automatically, pag makakakita siya ng \n or E and L, is ilalabas niya ngayon patungo sa ating console output. So, same result. Okay? So, another example. So, let's try to build and run. So, I am Cliff Alexis. I am Cliff Alexis. Nilabas niya ngayon sa cout. And E and L, nilabas niya ngayon sa cout with the use of insertion operator. Same sa welcome to programmatic. Nilabas niya ngayon with the use of insertion operator and \n. Alright? So, nilabas niya ngayon. And same lang yung result niya dito sa ating print the same result. For example, alright? Try natin to build and run. Ang ating example ay nag-consist ng dalawang lines, line 13 and line 14. But the result one only consists of one line or a single line. Pero ginamit lang natin yung E and L as a separator. Pero same lang yung result niya. So, pwede rin natin gamitin as single line, especially pag malaki yung mga monitors natin. Alright? So, same lang yung pagkabasa. Pag makakakita tayo ng E and L, automatically new line. So, for example, we have the I am Cliff Alexis. So, nilabas niya ngayon, kaya nandito na siya. And then, the E and L, or a new line, nilabas niya ngayon, kaya nandito na siya. Alright? And we also have the welcome to programmatics, kaya nandito na siya. And then, the E and L. So, another example, we have the result 2. Same result, okay, pero ginamit lang natin yung \n as the separator or the new line or the enter sa ating mga keyboard. So same lang siya na result. I am Cliff Alexis, nilabas niya dito sa ating console, and then we have after ng Cliff Alexis, as you can see, we have the \n. So kaya nandito na tayo, and then print niya yung welcome to Programmatics. So nandito na siya ngayon, and then we have the \n again. So, for the result number 3, we have... So, for the result number 3, same lang yung ginamit natin. Pero nag-use tayo ng \n sa gitna. I am Cliff Alexis, and then \n, kaya nandito na tayo. And welcome to Programmatics. At yung ginamit natin is E and L. Okay? So, same lang yung result niya kahit iba't ibang way yung gagamitin natin. So, pwede rin sa center si E and L or sa last part as same as the \n as long as si \n is nakapasok sa ating string literal. So, last example, we have the result number 4. As you can see, we have here the I am Cliff Alexis or string literal, and then followed by our E and L. We also have the welcome to Programmatics and \n. So, si \n, as long as nandun siya sa loob ng string literal, magagamit natin si \n. So, let's move on to the insertion operator as the concatenator. As you can see, insertion operator serve as the concatenator. So, ano nga ba si concatenator? So, si concatenator ay siya yung nagko-combine from another function to another. So, si string literal is another function, and then si E and L is another function. So, siya yung nagko-combine. So, malalaman natin yan sa ating mga next videos all about concatenator. Alright, so that's it for printing.